I wanna do, then I'ma get a business too.
You could bet that, never gotta sweat that. 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 You could bet that, never gotta sweat that.
But it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
Hola Mr. Morris, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for clicking on my video. So today I've got a makeup tutorial for you guys. I've just started by priming my face with the Embryolisse moisturizing primer, and I'm using my Clinique foundation. I don't use much. I just like go with just 2-3 strokes and I just blend that all over my face. And one more thing, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Wear Concealer, which is the one that I've just launched of recent. I'm sure you guys have seen this concealer all over Instagram and TikTok. So I'm going to be reviewing the concealer today, but I'm going to go ahead and do my brows first. I'm just gonna clean it with the concealer. It's actually that concealer I'm using now. Is it the Fenty one? No, this is not the Fenty concealer I'm using right here. I'm using the Born This Way concealer to shape my brows. But after this, I'm gonna be reviewing the Fenty Beauty concealer. So enjoy while I do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back. This is the new Fenty Beauty Hydrating Wear Concealer. Guys, this concealer is 12 hours hydrating Longwear concealer. It comes in 50 medium coverage shades with a natural second skin finish. When I tell you guys, this concealer is amazing. Like, it's literally like skin. When you use it, it gives you a natural second skin finish. It melts into the skin. It instantly reduces puffiness. It brightens the skin. It hides dark circles, and the coverage is buildable. It's medium coverage with a natural second skin finish. It has an extreme long wear formula that resists creasing, fading, and sweat humidity. It hydrates, brightens instantly under the eyes, and it stays for 12 hours, more than 12 hours even. And it improves dark circles, reduces puffiness instantly, and this can last for more than 12 hours. Like, it can last for the whole day. This concealer is one of the best concealers I've ever tried and used. Like, Fenty Beauty, really, they came through with this concealer. The reason why I like the concealer is because, number one, it's hydrating, and number two, it gives you that second skin finish. Like, it's absolutely stunning. I love how it melts like butter into the skin, and it lasts the whole day. It lasts more than 12 hours. So I absolutely love the product, and I'm glad I got it. So I'm using my Huda Beauty setting powder to set under my eyes. And I'm going to be going ahead to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my Shiseido concealer as my eyeshadow primer. I don't know why, but I just grabbed the Shiseido concealer, so I'm going to be using this as my eyeshadow primer, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that and get my eyeshadow done.
That's a liability. Hit the gas, boosting my adrenaline. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Represent, yeah, gotta represent. Gang, chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch, big fun. Mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fun. Mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet. Big fun, chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch, chase no bitch. Photo maybe, I drive anything, yeah. Buy my ring, make them go insane, yeah. My guillotine, drink with melazine, drink. Taking beans, go to those extremes, let's go, Parliament, Calamari wins, Parlay in Vegas, we was in a tennis go, before the business, yeah. Be a throwing lenses, be a smoke prescriptions, yeah. Focus on the mission, for my intermission, never take a break, we can switch states, stretch out foreign place, speech, ain't no way, ain't no fucking way, no call the play, we ain't call the play, no raw the bank, we gon' raw the game, in they gang we gang. But they're not the same. We been Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Represent, yeah, gotta represent. Gang, chase a chick, never chase a bitch. Big fun, mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fun. Mask on, yeah, fuck it, mask on, big fun. Percocet, yeah, Molly Percocet, big fun. Chase a chick, yeah, never chase a bitch. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Mask on, fuck it, mask on. Gas strong, never nod on. Black girl, if you 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing.
My neck, my back, so butter rip around. My neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, so butter rip around. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my neck, my back.
For my lips, I'm going to be using my lipstick palette from Bicham Ageless. I've always loved Bicham Ageless, and the palette is one of my favorites. So I'm using the Vibrant Red from this lipstick palette. I'm just using that to line the outer corner of my lips, and I'm going to be I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty concealer as a lipstick hack, because I wanted to achieve like a different look. So I'm just using the concealer just to highlight the inner bit of my lip to give it that ombre custom look. And guys, this turned out so beautiful. I actually enjoyed doing this. It turned out really beautiful. Like, there are different ways you can actually play with makeup products, and it's actually beautiful. So I'm just using the highlighter, and I'm spraying my face with a Charlotte Tilbury airbrush. setting spray, and this is the final look. It's so gorgeous. I love the lips. I think the lips was my favorite bit, but the eyes is also giving as well because I used some diamond studs. I used some diamond studs on my eyes just to spice up the eyeshadow a little bit, you know. But period, it's giving Valentine's custom look. Would you wear this outside? Like, would you wear this makeup look outside? You guys comment down below. Give me your opinions about this makeup look. Tell me how you feel about this look, and thank you very much for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all on my next one. Bye.